A lot of the time, shoot, maybe most of the time, these rat debt collectors won't even serve someone after they file a lawsuit. They'll just say someone was served with the lawsuit and then they'll go and take a judgment against the person. Then they'll wait a few years and bam, they'll take all the money out of someone's bank account. Now, just think what kind of people you're dealing with when they do this on a regular basis. So say I fell victim to one of these rats. They sued me, they never served me, I didn't know I was sued, and then they took a judgment against me. Now, all of a sudden, the money in my bank account is gone. But the money isn't really gone, the sheriff is holding it, and I could probably get some of it back. So, in this case, I need to use Form EJ-160. This is for a bank levy. And I need to be careful I don't use Form WG-006, which is for a wage garnishment. I'm also going to need a financial information form and a declaration, and I'm going to cover both of those in a separate video. Those are Forms EJ-165 and Form MC-030, but again, I'll get to that after this video. Now, although I have 10 days to respond to these rats, I want to do this ASAP. Not tomorrow, not the next day, today. I'm getting this done today. I don't know what kind of roadblocks will pop up down the road, and if I blow a deadline, it's over. And I need to be sure I have all three of the documents I just mentioned ready to go before I send anything over to the sheriff or to a court. Let's get going. This is where I put my name, address, telephone number, and email address. Where it asks for my attorney's name, I put in pro per. To this day, I have never actually looked up what that means. Courthouse information. This is where I put the courthouse information. Where did I find this information? Well, when I was sued by these rats, they gave me a summons and a complaint. And typically on the summons and the complaint, it'll have the courthouse information. Parties info. The rat is always the plaintiff. I'm always the defendant. My name, number 1, John Smith. Number 2, paper should be sent to me because I don't have an attorney. Number 3, I will skip because this isn't even applicable to what I'm doing over here. Number 4, the property I claim to be exempt is. So if the rat debt collector levied my Chase bank account, this is where I enter that information. And just so I don't have to disclose my bank account information, I'll put all accounts at Chase Bank. Number 5, the property is claimed to be exempt under the following code and sections. So this is the first time where things get really legal. There are dozens of reasons why property can be exempt, and I could show you a list of all of those in a separate video. For now, I'm claiming I need the property for my basic living expenses. Number 6, the facts which support this claim are as described. So here I put C attached declaration. That'll be Form MC-030, which we'll get to in a different video. Number 7, I'm going to check this box. This claim is made pursuant to a provision exempting property to the extent necessary for the support of the judgment debtor and the spouse and dependents of the judgment debtor. A financial statement form is attached to this claim. This is where I'll need to put in the financial information form that I described a little bit earlier. So number 8 and 9 I'm going to skip because they're not applicable to my particular case. Here I enter my name, the date, and my signature.